Hi everyone! This week I went on a day hike and I just wanted to share with you some of the snacks that I made at home to bring with us on the trail. First, I made dried mangoes. Start by peeling off the skins. Then cut the fruit into thin slices. Try to get the same thickness so the slices will take the same amount of time to dry. Place the slices on a dehydrator at 135 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 hours. If you don't have a dehydrator, that's totally fine. You can just use a baking sheet and stick them in your oven at the lowest temperature. Next, I made date cashew coconut balls with lemon zest. Start by lightly blending a cup of raw cashew pieces. Then add 7 or 8 pitted dates, the zest of 1 lemon, the juice of half of a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend until a thick, chunky paste forms, but don't overblend. You want a bit of texture in this mixture. Take a spoonful of the date mixture and roll it into a ball between your palms. Then coat the ball in coconut pieces. For a savory snack, I made baked veggie chips. I used a sweet potato and zucchini, but you can use any type of squash or root vegetable. First, slice the veggies into rounds. Then add the veggies to separate bowls and coat them with a bit of olive oil and sea salt. Add a teaspoon of garlic powder to each bowl and about a tablespoon of dried rosemary. Give the veggies a stir to distribute the spices evenly. Then line a baking sheet with parchment paper and lay out the veggies, making sure not to let them overlap. Bake these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. For my trail mix, I combined pumpkin seeds, toasted coconut chips, roasted sunflower seeds, dried cranberries, chopped pecans, and dark chocolate pieces. This last one is not a recipe, but I also brought a few tangerines because they're just really good. If any of these recipes look good to you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more vegan outdoors content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.